Hi, this is Roberto Solution Architect in Dave Embedded Systems. Today, I would like to present you ZERO Evaluation Kit. ZERO is part of Dave Embedded System portfolio of System on Module solution based on Renesas RZ T2H System-on-Chip application processor. On top of the 4 Cortex-A55 cores, the dual Cortex-R52 cores allow this system processor to implement a single-chip 9-axis motor control system. The ZERO System on Module has its own evaluation kit, which allows testing out of the box the main features. The evaluation kit contains the most important peripherals available on the SoC. 4 GB Ethernet with 3-port switch, SD, USB, PCI Express, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on M2 standard connector, the LCD interface. Each peripheral are usable with standard or popular connectors. Many other peripherals like UART, I2C, SPI and PWM can be used on standard or versatile connectors. See our evaluation kit documentation page for more information. Once you have received the kit, please check carefully the label stuck to the box and take note of the serial number. It will be used for registering the kit in our helpdesk support channel. Open the box and check the kit content with the packing list using the Getting Started wiki page. ZERO Evaluation Kit contains a power supply adapter and its cable adapter, a micro USB standard cable for the serial console, the already programmed with Dave BSP software micro SD card, a mini USB standard cable for the 6-axis application for the Cortex-R52 serial console, the micro E USB to serial adapter. At the end, you can find the ZERO Evaluation Kit board with the SOM already soldered. Now it's time to connect the cables and start your first session. Insert the SD card into the microSD slot in the evaluation kit. Connect the tape-up side of the USB cable to your personal computer. Insert for the same cable the microSD side to the evaluation kit. Insert the power adapter cable for the 12-volt power supply. Connect the power supply, then set the S1 power switch to the on position. The green light tells you the board is correctly powered. Restart the board using the S3 reset button. On the serial console, you can see the complete system startup from U-boot to the Linux kernel console. ZERO latest embedded Linux kit has been released as Desk RZ 1.0.0 BSP version. Thank you for joining the Dave Embedded System community. For more information, please visit our websites dave.eu or wiki.dave.eu.